There's nothing more beautiful than Christmas time in New York. Today, we're gonna go over the top 10 gifts you can get your favorite RVer for under $25. But first, we're going inside to get warmed up.
Hi, we're Kevin and Amy from Camping Companions. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. We've got a lot of great videos. This is just one amongst the many. We'd love to have you check them all out. We do campground reviews, where you should go, how to spend your hard-earned dollars, and what you should see along the way. Today, Amy just came in from being outside in the cold. It's Christmas time in New York. We've got a bunch of ideas if you want to get your RV or something for Christmas. Don't want to spend a lot of money. We've got about 10 ideas for under $25. They're gonna love them.
Most of the items that we found were on Amazon, and we'll put links in the comment section below so that you can check these out. You don't have to go searching for them. But first on our list is this super cute ornaments. I mean, what better way to give a Christmas gift to one of your friends or family members who loves to camp than get a cute little camping ornament. Hallmark makes one. One is like $17, the other one's $13. They're super cute.
Next on the list, there's a couple great books. There's 50 states, 5,000 ideas, 100 parks and 5,000 ideas. Of course, you can read these books or visit our channel, but the books for people who don't know about us yet, awesome places, things you can do, exactly what we're talking about right here.
I think I want a copy of one of these books just so that I can review all the cool places we have yet to see and show you.
Or subscribe to our channel.
For the person on your list who loves to cook, there's this retro camper shaped cutting board. It's $20.68 on Amazon. Again, we'll put the links down below so that it's easy for you to find them.
Do you know that camper that goes all across the country looking for the best places to go? This is a really cool idea. It's the United States map. They come with individual state decals. They can put one on the map every time they visit a new state. It's only $23.97, so just a shade under the 25 mark, but it's cool. It looks really neat.
For drying dishes, they have these adorable little dish towels. Ones that say, "Home is where you park it. Life is better when you're camping." Campers have some more fun. They're a really fun way to decorate your camper and still have a practical use. And for under $20, they're a really great gift.
For the practical gift givers out there, there is the water filter, which is a must for any camper. If you have the direct hookup or even if you're just filling up when you get there, it's great to have. You
attach it to the end of your hose, and it runs between the potable water that's available at the campground into your camper and filters out all the sediment and residue that's in the potable water.
And it comes with a really cool neck with a spring so it doesn't get kinked and you don't have to worry about attaching the whole filter right to the nozzle. You got it all in one package. It's $17.95. Well worth the money spent. They can reuse that neck every time they buy a new filter, so they don't take the whole package again.
And they're only good for about a season. They say 3 months. I just figure a season. So even if they already have one, they still need one for next year.
Definitely.
One space-saving gift idea is a collapsible dish drying rack. For $19.90, you can have a rack to dry your dishes, and when you're done, it collapses and goes into any small space that you have left over in your camper.
And talk about space-saving ideas. Everyone's looking for places to put their spices. We cook a lot in the camper. These little clips, they come with 3 sets of 4. You can put them behind the cupboards where you open them up, tuck them away. They're $7.95 for all 3 and definitely worth the money. You can buy the spices to go along with it and still make it under that $25 mark. It's a great gift idea for any camper.
And speaking of spices, for $19.99 you can get a 7-inch tall retro looking camper that holds salt and pepper shakers. They make a great decoration for your countertop and they're functional too.
Still can't come up with a great idea? We've got one more for you. It's a floor mat you can put right inside as you walk up the stairs. It says life is better at the campsite. It's got a vintage trailer right on there. It's a theme. It is weather and mildew resistant. It traps the water and the dirt. So when you come right in, scuff off your boots and keep the inside of your camper as clean as the day you bought it. And for only $15.99, it's an awesome bargain. We know you found value in this because everything's under 25 bucks. You can shop for everybody on your list. Everyone's going to be thrilled no matter what you get them. So
if you have any other ideas, comment below. Let us know whatever else you think of. These are just 10 of the gift ideas that we thought were really cute.
And it won't break the bank. Got money to spend. All the campers on your list.
Subscribe to our channel, like it, come back and visit us again. And now that you've got all these gifts,
time to get to wrapping. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, happy camping.